Welcome to the HyFinder Expo highlights. Today from the Hydrogen Technology Expo in Hamburg 2024. I'm with Markus Rupp from Busch Vacuum Solutions, and today you are showing me your products. What innovations are you presenting?
Hi Steven. At this year's Hydrogen Tech Expo we are presenting two active hydrogen recirculation blowers from our Mink MH series for the recirculation of the excessive hydrogen in PEM fuel cell systems. Currently we have two products in our portfolio, the MH18 and the MH40, which stands for 18 cubic meters per hour of recirculation capacity and 40 respectively.
So that's the bigger one?
That's the big one, exactly.
Right. Okay. What makes these products so special?
So hydrogen recirculation blowers play a key role in the overall efficiency and the reliability of the operation of any PEM fuel cell system.
Yes.
Because one, they free the stacks from accumulated water, and two, they take the not reacted hydrogen from the cathode side and recirculate it back to the inlet of the stack. So it guarantees a efficient and reliable operation of it. This said, the component gets to see a mixture of wet gas as well as liquid water drops, which it needs to be capable to handle well.
Okay.
And with our design to these blowers, with very compact claws and robust claws, our blowers handle those wet gases as well as liquid water drop impacts very, very well.
Yeah, okay. So you've mentioned an important point. This is what technology is this? These are
it's a claw compression.
These are claw compressors, exactly. Okay.
So you have two against each other rotating claws.
Yes.
Which compress, which have an internal compression of the hydrogen. And the compression is dry and contact free. It is additionally the system is hermetically tight.
Okay.
So we don't have hydrogen leakages.
Right.
And at the same time it produces a high delta P of up to 500 millibars.
500 millibars, what we're talking. Okay. So the claws will be in there.
Exactly.
And where can we use this? Where are these found?
Actually, in each and every PEM fuel cell system.
Okay.
So you don't have any PEM fuel cell system without recirculation, because the efficiency increase is very, very high.
Okay. And even though they consume energy themselves, you get much more efficiency by reusing it.
Exactly.
Right. Okay.
For example, this would support a stack up to about 120 kilowatts, but the motor power of this blower is 1 kilowatt.
All right. Okay.
So.
And this would be in a mobile application or a stationary application? Where would you see these?
We are not limited to one or two applications, but perfectly suited for, it can be stationary, heavy duty, maritime, rail, and even an aviation application.
All right. Okay.
So every PEM fuel cell system which uses recirculation, those blowers can be put there.
Okay. I know as we were talking earlier, you said you have these two products, but you do other things as well, other blowers. Yeah. I wanted to ask you, what's the outlook? What can we expect from you guys coming?
So currently already, in addition to those two blowers, we have a rotary, oil lubricated rotary vane vacuum pump in ATEX 2C certified for tank filling and emptying applications. As well as other technologies like liquid ring compressors for very harsh applications that are able to compress gases up to around 10 bars absolute.
Okay, so going bigger?
Not specifically going bigger, but for other applications within, let's say, the hydrogen economy. Not only for PEM fuel cell systems, but as well, let's say, for low-level compression of hydrogen, for example, after hydrogen generated in electrolyzers.
Okay.
Or as well, tank filling and emptying applications of hydrogen, where you need vacuum pumps.
All right, okay. So that means soon there will be not only these, but maybe much more products even at this year's stand.
Probably at least they exist already.
All right.
But exhibited. I'm pretty sure that on next year's fairs, which we are going to attend, we're at least gonna present one more product.
Yes.
Maybe two.
All right. Well, perfect. I think that's something to absolutely look out for. Thank you very much, Markus, for having us.
Many, many thanks.
All the best.
Thank you, Stephen.
Thank you.